So what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Kyle Lewis. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this, but I like cars. I go to the gym. I don't know what I'm going to upload. But anyways, today I just want to show you guys this quick setup that I have in my 2006 Matrix. We just got it installed today. I should have recorded some of it, but I didn't. Just really the sound clips afterward. But I just wanted to show you the setup here. I bought this sub and amp off of my friend, and I mean, they're fucking loud. So anyways, I'll just go ahead here, shut the car off. Let's show you how it works. It's starting to rain. So right off the bat, like, I didn't hide this wire yet because I'm gonna do that all afterwards. I've got the trim, just kind of hiding it there beside the dead pedal, wired to a switch. We ran that today just for the auxiliary power for it. Obviously it's wired into the battery there. But if we go around here, like, check out the size of these double kickers, man. Ignore the oil jugs, of course. We're not burning or leaking oil, but I do keep that in here. Now, the top did strip when we ripped it out of his car, his Chevy Cobalt, just because it's so big, and trying to get it out, it didn't quite work the way we wanted to. We really had to push and pull on it to get it out. But anyways, there's the amp back there, all wired in. It's screwed into the back panel, which if you guys are ever doing a sound build on your Matrix, you guys can go ahead and use that. It's just a plastic backing. I don't think it's going to cause any issues. I mean, if anyone's sitting in the back and, you know, you get into an accident, like, it's going to be fine. I used number 6 screws by 1 inch, so they're fine. Robertson heads, they're good. And of course, we got the truck behind us. Just chilling there. But when I bought this car, ooh, that was gross. Yeah, you can tell it is definitely used. I keep fucking finding cigarette butts. So that's disgusting. But anyways, it's starting to rain, and when I bought this car, it had all the power cables and everything hooked up. It didn't have the big 3 that you might know about, which basically means, you know, I'm still learning it, but there's a wire that goes from the battery to the alternator directly, and you're supposed to, like, go really big on the wire, like 0 gauge wire. I don't know exactly how it works, but that's not set up. It's just basically ran from the battery. You know, I should probably get some bigger wiring for it, but they bump, they run fine. I'll throw some more clips here so you can listen to it. But anyways, it was super simple because everything was already set up. So all I did was we just had the auxiliary in the back from the radio, which pulls the audio. So we plugged that into the amp, and we plugged the amp into the subwoofer, and everything's good. It's got an extra cable too, even just for a capacitor. I think the amp might have one already built in, I'm not sure. But everything's set up, everything works, it's great, it's awesome. I also run another channel called Kyle's Attention to Detail. That's my business name. So I'm going to be detailing cars. If you live in Southern Ontario, you can always shoot me a message, and if we're close enough by, I'd be happy to come and do that for you. I love working on somebody local, you know, somebody in the area that I live in. I think that'd be great. That's why I've got the truck in the back there, because I do everything out of that truck. So all the equipment's there. It's super professional. I've got all the proper chemical that will make your car look brand new. Some spray waxes, of course, and of course more premium ceramic coating, stuff that'll last a bit longer than a basic wax, especially a spray on, dry off type of wax. Oh, I did want to mention too, this car is also a 5-speed manual, so this car is definitely got the fun factor involved. To be honest, I don't think I would have bought it without it, but it is still a Toyota, so honestly I probably would have. But this car's had a lot of work done to it before I bought it. The guy redid the transmission like 30,000 kilometers ago, so everything is good. Everything's new that way, like new clutch, new pressure plate. Everything feels butter. Everything feels good. The kick point's a little high, but I think that's just normal on some cars. I don't know if it's a Matrix thing, but I know there's a few other cars I've driven where the bite point is really high and it's got a lot of dead pedal area. But it feels smooth. It runs good. So, yeah. But let me know what you guys want to see more of in this channel. You know, I would like to do some fun car content. I don't know exactly what that could look like. Who knows? Even just the Matrix, like, they've got turbo kits for this and everything like that. Now, they're a bit pricey, but I could even just do something basic, like throw a short shifter in and show you guys how to do it in a really nice detailed video. You know, I do a lot of my own work on my own cars, except for, you know, stuff that I can't do, like the AC just got fixed on my truck. I'm not going to go and replace the condenser myself. I could, but I don't have the proper tools and equipment for that. Just your basic handhelds and impacts and drivers and things like that. So I think that's going to do it. This is pretty quick. I'm just kind of introducing myself, and I just wanted to do something fun because I was like, hey, I got subs. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts. Check out the detailing channel. I've only got some shorts on it right now, but I would like to make some content on it that I can make long form for you guys. Maybe show you guys some processes that I do and what works, and give you guys some basic detailing starting stuff. If you're interested, let me know. I'd be happy to just kind of, you know, start making some content on stuff that I know and share it with you guys. I think knowledge is power, and I've learned a lot of stuff from YouTube, and I think I'd like to finally put out for once and show you guys things and find my way into the car community. A lot of the car community now is supercars and one-day builds, and not a lot of series that you follow, maybe like a one hour long video. And that's just how YouTube is now. You know, it's long form content and watch time. But hey, if you guys are interested, maybe I can be that budget friendly guy and, you know, go from there. One day I would like to own a brand new Mustang, at least a 2024 or 2025. Heck, I'd even take a, you know, an S550 at a, you know, 2019 or newer as well. I'm working towards that, even just in my basic job. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'd be happy to go through anything. Well, maybe car content, gym content, things like that. I've been in the gym for 4 years, of course, as well. So a lot of knowledge on that because I follow a lot of guys on YouTube here. So anyways, guys, let me know. Thanks for checking out the video. I actually really do appreciate that because you don't know me. I'm just some random guy who lives in Southern Ontario, Canada. Let me know. Peace, guys.